Now we are going to navigate. Going to stake out point and direction. Here start from point. We choose it from our map, our office. We need to stake out points between A3 and A4. Offset by 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter point, 1 meter point, 1 meter point until we reach the A4. From one position, no calculations, nothing. So from point A3 and azimuth from the point, and we have to choose here. You can set the azimuth, and you can set if the azimuth unknown, and you can set to point. Here we choose the A4 as we mentioned before. Now angle of offset. Here angle of offset. This measured from the azimuth to point. Here we can put it if we need to stake out pointers on the same line from point to point. You have to set it 0. And horizontal distance. How much distance from point to stake? Now here we take 1 meter as example. Vertical distance not after we set all these things. Vertical distance 0, store point to A11. So now press stake. We have to, I'm not sure if the display is clear or not. Let me change the display. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so we have to put the horizontal angle to 0 as targeting here. It's hard to set to 0 like this. Okay, now we check. And you have to enable the browser. This is the laser point. Here you can see it there. And now back to stake out and press check. Here is 4 mm, and this is what